There are two interesting trends happening in today's real estate market in Toronto. First, the market is definitely softening with more listings coming onto the market, but the other big thing that you might not realize is that the price gap between renovated and unrenovated properties is getting bigger. So, why is this happening? And although this is not for everyone, what kind of opportunities are emerging for real estate investors because of this? Well, stick around as we dive into all of this in today's video. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips to boost your real estate investing journey. Here's what's been happening. Most home buyers and investors are steering clear of big projects right now because one, home buyers usually don't have the time or the money to take on renovations. And also two, with higher interest rates, even investors who typically take these on are pulling back as well. So what this means is that these project homes are the ones that end up sitting on the market for longer these days. And in general, you've probably either heard or witnessed that we are seeing more listings, which is cooling off the market. So once you add this to projects not selling as quickly too, there ends up being more opportunities to snag deals in fixer-uppers in Toronto. Basically, what this does is that it does widen the price gap between finished and unrenovated homes, and that gives you the potential for a bigger value add lift if you take on projects today. Check this out. Yes, it is still possible to get a great deal on a fixer-upper semi in Midtown Toronto for around $800,000. Sure, it needs possibly $200,000 in renovations or more, but similar fully renovated homes in the area are fetching $1.25 million. And that's a potential $250,000 profit if you manage the project well. It's true that value add projects have always been around, but in the past 2 years with rising interest rates, overall falling prices in the market end up canceling a lot of the value add gains. And then going back a couple more years when interest rates were at rock bottom during the COVID era, every investor was jumping onto these projects because the cost of capital was practically free, and that ended up narrowing the price gap between projects and turnkey houses. So the value add lift just wasn't as strong. Today, it seems like we are in the ideal environment for maximizing value add opportunities. And if you have the initial capital, time, and expertise to get this done, this is the time to take on these value add projects. Now, once the project is done, you could sell, but after taxes and fees, you're not actually pocketing that much. Then you can reinvest with more money, obviously, but you no longer have the first house that's collecting rental income and gaining appreciation every year. And that's why more experienced investors prefer to refinance after renovations so that they can keep the home and continue to grow. This way, you defer taxes and transaction fees and often cash out almost all of your initial investment to do it all over again. Plus, you keep the original house, which will continue to cash flow after refinancing and benefit from long-term appreciation too. So as you can see, these types of projects are what we're most excited about on our team in the Toronto real estate market lately, and we're happy to show you more details if you're looking for opportunities like this too. So if you do want to learn more, just reach out to our team. We're all about buying and selling investment properties in Toronto, mainly houses, and we'd love to help you make smarter, data-driven investment decisions. Whether you're looking for a multiplexing opportunity with little or no renovations, or if you're looking to turn a single-family home into a multiplex, we're here to help. Here's what it's like to work with us. We'll get to know your situation and then teach you everything you need to know to make better real estate investing decisions in Toronto. Then we'll search the Toronto market and help you find the perfect property for your goals. If your new property needs renovations, we have reliable contractors ready to help you, and we'll coach you through the process too while you manage the project. Plus, our leasing and property management team can help you handle the renting out and managing your property if you need it too. Ready to take the next step? Just head over to this link here and Let's make it happen.